Ever wished you could ditch your wallet and just tap your phone to pay for that Grab ride? You're not alone. Lots of people wonder if they can add their Grab card to Apple Pay for easy, contactless payments. So, let's dive in and find out. First things first, let's understand what Apple Pay actually is. It's a digital wallet system developed by Apple that allows you to make secure and convenient payments using your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. You can store credit cards, debit cards, and even some transit cards within the Apple Wallet app. Now, the burning question, can you add your Grab card to this digital wallet? Unfortunately, as of right now, it's generally not possible to directly add a Grab card to Apple Pay. Grab primarily functions as a ride-hailing and delivery service, and its payment system is integrated within their own app. Grab offers various payment options, including Cash, the classic and always reliable option. Grabpay, their in-app digital wallet that you can top up and use for seamless transactions. Credit/debit cards, you can link your existing cards to your Grab account for convenient cashless payments. Other e-wallets, depending on your region, you might be able to use other e-wallets like Alipay or Google Pay within the Grab app. While direct Apple Pay integration isn't currently available, there are a few workarounds you can consider. Use Grabpay with Apple Pay-like features. If Grabpay offers features like contactless payments via your phone's NFC, near-field communication, chip, you can enjoy a similar experience to Apple Pay. Link your credit or debit card to both Grab and Apple Pay. This allows you to use your preferred card for both Grab rides and other Apple Pay purchases. Keep an eye on future updates. Grab and Apple may introduce new features or partnerships in the future that enable direct Grab card integration with Apple Pay. Remember to always prioritize security when making digital payments. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be mindful of suspicious activity. So, while you might not be able to add your Grab card directly to Apple Pay right now, you have some great alternatives to ensure a smooth and convenient ride-hailing experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.